After 6 years of operation, an ethylene furnace's stack temperature had risen from 190 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, causing a 2.0% drop in fuel efficiency. No access points existed for cleaning the convection section. TubeTech deployed a no-man entry ROV system designed to operate inside live convection banks. New openings were created to place the ROV above each bundle, where it directed a high-pressure medium precisely at the tube surfaces, removing fouling without damaging refractory. The radiant box was isolated, and all debris was contained and removed to ground level. This method enabled complete coil coverage, over 90% fouling removal, and a 40 degrees Celsius drop in stack temperature. Fuel efficiency improved by 2 percentage points, combustion losses fell by 2 megawatts, and payback was achieved in under 4 months. Nearly 2 years later, 1.5 points of efficiency were sustained, with TubeTech adopted as part of routine maintenance.